Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable schema evolution in AWS Glue detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable schema evolution in AWS Glue, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Glue service in the console. Once in the AWS Glue dashboard, locate and select the Databases section. Choose the database where your tables are located. Click on the specific table for which you want to disable schema evolution. In the table details, find and select the Storage Descriptors section. Look for the Parameters field within the storage descriptor. Add a new parameter by clicking on that Add Parameter button. Set the key to classification and the value to CSV or the appropriate format you are using. Next, find the schema.evolution parameter. If it exists, set its value to false. If the parameter does not exist, create it with the same key and value. Make sure to save your changes by clicking on the Save button at the bottom of the page. To validate your configuration, run a sample job that interacts with the modified table. Monitor the job execution to ensure that schema evolution is effectively disabled. Check the CloudWatch logs for any errors related to schema evolution to confirm the configurations are correct. Once everything is verified, you have successfully disabled schema evolution in AWS Glue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.